Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x8007025d on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now the first solution is to disconnect peripheral devices from your system. Now why would you do that? You would do that because these peripheral devices push drivers to your system which may interfere with existing drivers, thus causing the issue. The second solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the status of Windows Update related services. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Expand this list, go to standard. You can choose anything that you want to. Standard gives a better view. So scroll down to the Windows Update service, and this list is in alphabetical order, making it easier to find. Right click on this and select restart. And once this is done, scroll up to the background intelligence transfer service. This one. Right click on it, select start. And then we will go to the cryptographic service once this is started. So where do we find the cryptographic services? Right click on this and select restart, and then select restart. Lastly, you need to fix the RAM. Now how would you fix the RAM? Press the Windows key and the R button together, type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.